Euro currency ends the day near unchanged, right at 104.20. This amid today's ECB meeting, which saw a 25 basis point rate cut. Now, prior to ECB, we saw the euro move down to the lows of the session just below 104. And immediately after, actually, we saw the euro rally all the way up north of 104.60 before backing off and ending the session at 104.20. Now, yesterday we saw the Fed meet. They did not raise or cut rates. They did give some kind of forward guidance as to possibly later in the year they would be cutting. However, the ECB, who did cut today, did allude to future cuts on the horizon. So ultimately, more cuts coming from the ECB, potentially some cuts coming from the Fed, and we kind of see where the euro stands near unchanged on the session. The dollar too was also unchanged on today. But again, seeing the euro close out at 104.20 just ahead of the weekend. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You will see that volatility has been in decline for quite some time, and today it continued to move lower. In fact, we saw volatility close at 1-month lows. Lastly, let's take a look at what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We kind of get that post-ECB, post-FOMC trade continue, as well as we get the PCE data. So inflation, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge comes out tomorrow. That will obviously have an effect on the dollar and the euro. And then we'll get back into the Fed speaker calendar. We haven't had that for quite some time, given the fact that they've been in blackout during the January FOMC period. So we'll get Michelle Bowman, a noted hawk, who will be speaking tomorrow morning as the PCE data is being released.